Welcome to our Python tutorial. This is second lesson, and in this lesson we're going to download text editor, or IDE as it's called. So I can advise you some text editors, for example Visual Studio Code, PyCharm, Atom, Sublime Text. So you can use any of them, but especially I prefer Sublime Text because it's easier to use, but PyCharm is more famous and it's liked by a lot of users. So in our lessons we're going to use PyCharm. So simply go to browser and write PyCharm. So here is it, PyCharm. Go to downloads. One drawback of this, it takes more space. So here is it, professional edition and community. We don't need professional edition, and it's not free also. You can use it for trial. Community is enough for us, so you download this and launch it. So I changed its place, so it's on my desktop. So you launch it, and here are tips also. So first we should open new project, and we should call it, so we'll call it project 1, and here is this. Here should be virtual environment, and here you can choose location. You can put it anywhere, so it's okay for me. And base interpreter, it chooses automatically the latest version, but you can also choose yours. So and that's all. So create this window. So it's created, and that's all. We have created project, and here we can open file, Python file. So new Python file, we will call it test 1. Okay, and here is it. We can code here. So it's enough for this lesson. So in next lessons we're going to run our first program, and also if your computer or laptop is not so powerful, you can find other files in description. I'll give you a link to download them. I think in the next lesson I'll talk little about other text editors like Sublime Text, and that's all for our lesson. So see you in the next videos. Goodbye.